And welcome to the Shatkin First Monday Morning Minute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. Today I want to talk to you about something that I want to encourage all of you to try. Many of you have never done a roundhouse or a fix-on-6 restoration on mini implants. It's hard for me to believe that, but it's true. I've talked to so many dentists who've actually, all they focus on is denture stabilization and an occasional single tooth here or there. But you're missing out if you're not doing the roundhouses and the fix-on-6 restorations on mini implants. That is where you're going to change patients' lives dramatically. Denture stabilization is great, but when you can take away their denture and give them something permanent, a roundhouse bridge or a fix-on-6 restoration, you are going to change their life forever. And at the same time, you're going to make a nice profit in your dental practice. It's going to change the way you practice dentistry. So if you've never done one, I want to encourage you to try it, okay? And we make these wonderful zirconia roundhouse bridges, and we're also doing these now with Zantex frames with individual crowns on them. That's a fiber reinforced fiberglass base. But either way, the concept is the same. We make a roundhouse bridge and it snaps right on to the mini implants. It doesn't come out. The patients do not remove it. It stays in all the time. It eliminates the denture completely. If you're not sure how to go about doing this procedure, we will hold your hand every step of the way. But it's really quite easy. You basically follow the same steps you would for making a set of dentures. You put the implants in, you take your impressions, you can use their existing dentures as temporaries. When I do that, all I do is grind out the denture and use like a polyvinyl reline material or polyvinyl bite registration material to reline it temporarily while we're fabricating the restorations. We'll make bite rims for you. You'll take your bite. We'll then make a try-in, a plastic try-in to see if the vertical and the aesthetics are good. And if you say they look good, we go to the finished product, which will be your final zirconia or Zantex frame fixed on 6 restoration. We typically use 6 to 10 implants for this procedure. And I'm telling you, you are going to love doing these if you get yourself started. It's a lot for you to think about. I know many of you are a little scared or timid to try to do a full arch bridge. But if we hold your hand every step of the way, which we will, I will make it so easy for you. You're going to love doing these and you're going to be kicking yourself for not trying it sooner. So give us a call if you want some help. One of us will walk you through the whole process, help you with everything to do with the lab work and everything in between. So start doing fix-on-6s and cemented roundhouse bridges. It will change your practice, it'll change your patients' lives, and you'll be very happy you did. I'll see you next time on the Monday Morning Minute.
Mention that you watched the Monday Morning Minute and receive $200 off on either a zirconia or a Zantex roundhouse bridge. Be sure to submit your lab cases today. I'd also want everybody to know about our International Academy of Mini Dental Implant Symposium that's going to be held down in Orlando, Florida. It will be held at the Four Seasons Hotel right in Disney. And it's a beautiful, beautiful place. We got great prices on all the rooms. So bring yourself down, bring your staff, bring your family. It's going to be a wonderful 2-day event. It's going to be August 1st and August 2nd. And it's a beautiful time down in Florida. We're going to have a lot of fun. Most importantly, we're going to have 2 unbelievable keynote speakers. One, Dr. Robert Miller. Dr. Miller's lectured with us in the past, but he's an expert on LPRF bone grafting. He has over 3 decades of implantology and placing implants. He's very well-rounded, and it's great to hear and see what Robert has to say. And our other keynote speaker is going to be Dr. Ernesto Leon. We're excited to have Dr. Leon join us. He is from South America, over 35 years of implantology in Mexico. And not only is he an expert in occlusion, but he's also an expert in developing implant training programs throughout the country of Mexico. So it'll be great to have Ernesto join us and Robert. And I think you bring yourself and your staff, you too will find a 2-day educational experience like none other. And the best part about the Academy meeting this year, half price for all dentists. So we're talking that you can pick up to 16 CE credits for $695 if you're not an MD-ICA and $495 if you are an MD-ICA. And staff members come for $495 or $295. And please remember to send all journal entries to Mark Aarons by July 1st because we have a brand new journal coming out, and Mark would love if you can get some entries in. If you have a great case that you've done, please send it on in, and let's see if we can get you published in the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants Journal. We look forward to seeing everyone down at Disney at the Four Seasons Hotel for the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants meeting, and we hope you have an unbelievable week placing mini and mono dental implants.